Have you ever walked past a woman and immediately thought, wow, she looks so elegant? Not because she was wearing designer clothes, not because she was covered in luxury logos, but somehow everything about her just looked right. Then you have probably also seen someone carrying a designer bag, wearing expensive clothes, and yet the outfit still looked average. So, what's the difference? Is it money, good genes, or are some people simply born with better fashion sense? Actually, none of these. Looking well dressed has much less to do with how much you spend and much more to do with understanding a few timeless principles that most people completely ignore. Let's break them down. Number one, stop chasing trends, start understanding yourself. The biggest mistake people make is believing style comes from buying what's trending. Every week, social media tells us this color is trending, these jeans are trending, this aesthetic is trending, and we buy it. But here's the problem, trends are not designed to suit you, they are designed to sell. That's why two people can wear the exact same outfit and one looks incredible while the other looks uncomfortable. Think about Princess Diana. People still recreate her outfits nearly 30 years later. Or Audrey Hepburn, whose simple black dresses are still considered stylish today. Neither of them chased every trend, they understood what suited them. The best dressed women don't ask what's everyone wearing, they ask what actually suits me. Second, color harmony is what makes an outfit looks expensive. Have you ever noticed that some women can wear the simplest outfit, a white shirt, cream trouser, brown loafer, and somehow they look incredibly elegant? While someone else is wearing bright colors, expensive accessories, and designer brands, yet the outfit feels messy. It's because elegance isn't created by expensive colors, it's created by color harmony. Take Sophia Ricci. During her wedding week, millions of people became obsessed with her lifestyle. Was she wearing extraordinary outfits? Not really. Most of them were built around soft neutrals, white, cream, black, beige, brown. Every color worked with the next and nothing competed for attention. Everything felt calm, balanced, intentional. Now, this doesn't mean you should only wear neutral colors. Bright colors can also look stunning. The secret is making sure your clothes work together instead of fighting each other. That's what creates a polished look. Third, fit matters more than the price tag. Here's something fashion brands rarely tell you. A 4,000 rupees blazer that fits perfectly will almost always look better than a 40,000 rupees blazer that doesn't. Because our brain notices proportions before they notice brand. Sleeves that are too long, shoulders that don't sit properly, pants dragging on the floor. These seems like small details, but together they'll completely change how an outfit looks. This is exactly why celebrities tailor their clothes. Even luxury brands alter garments before fashion shows and red carpet events because perfect fit isn't luck, it's intentional. The most expensive outfit in the room can still look cheap if it doesn't fit properly. 4. Fabric speaks before the logo does. Imagine two identical white shirts, same design, same buttons. One is made from crisp, high quality cotton, the other from a thin synthetic fiber. From a distance, they look almost the same, but the moment they move, everything changes. One keeps its shape, the other wrinkles. One drapes naturally, the other clings awkwardly without realizing it. Your brain notices those differences. That's why stylish women pay attention to fabric, not just brands. Good fabric doesn't always mean expensive fabric. It simply means the garment holds its structure, feels comfortable, and ages well. People notice quality long before they notice the look. 5. The best dressed women dress with intention. Here's what I think separates fashionable women from truly stylish women. Fashionable women follow trends. Stylish women follow principles. Look at Sophia Ricci again. When her wedding photos went viral, millions of people rushed to recreate her outfit. But most of them missed what actually made her look elegant. It wasn't the clothes, it was the consistency. Simple silhouettes, minimal accessories, quality fabrics, nothing was screaming for attention, everything had a purpose. That's the difference. The women who always look well dressed don't wear five statement pieces at once. They choose one. Maybe it's a beautiful blazer, maybe it's a structured handbag, maybe it's a pair of elegant shoes. Everything else quietly supports it because real style isn't about adding more, it's about knowing what to leave out. So, why do some women always look effortlessly well dressed? It isn't because they have unlimited money, and it definitely not because they only wear luxury brands. Also, not because they were born with perfect fashion sense. It's because they know what suits them, they choose colors that work together, they care more about fit than labels. They value quality over quantity, and most importantly, that they dress with intention instead of imitation. The fashion industry will always tell you that the next trend will make you more stylish, but style has never been something you can buy. It's something you build. One thoughtful decision at a time. So the next time you admire someone's outfit, don't ask where did she buy it. Ask why does it work? Because once you understand why an outfit works, you'll stop copying fashion and start creating a style that's completely your own. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos on fashion psychology, consumer behavior, and the business behind what we wear.